Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to record phone calls on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This should also work out for the Redmi Note 15 or the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus as well. The process is quite similar. Now keep in mind that you can actually record both incoming calls and outgoing calls on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. And so what you want to do is to basically call the person you want to record the phone call, or if it is an incoming call, just go ahead and receive the phone call. Now when the other user picks up the call, or in the case of an incoming call, once you pick up the call, you want to tap on the more option at the bottom over here, just like so, and you're going to get the option to record phone calls. So just go ahead and tap on that. Now click on start recording, and automatically your Redmi Note 15 Pro will start to capture the sound and audio from this particular call, literally everything happening on this particular call. If in your case the call does not record and you're seeing the recording fail message, don't worry, I have a solution for you by the end of this video. But once you're done recording, you can actually end the recording by tapping on the stop icon over here, or alternatively you can just end the call and your recording will be saved into your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So I can just end the call, and once I am done, you can literally see the recording over here. You can go ahead and play it directly from here by just tapping on the play button, or alternatively you can also share it or even delete it by tapping on the delete icon over here. But if in your case you're getting the recording fail message, or you do not see the option to record phone calls on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, what you can actually do is to open up the call app, which is this application over here. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right, and then to the settings icon over here, go over to call recording, and then at the top you're going to see the delete recording. Just go ahead and set it to 7 days or 14 days or 30 days. This is just most likely going to make it start working, because I had the same issue, and after changing the delete recording option to 7 days, it started to work. Alternatively, if you actually do not have the call recording option, a solution for you is to just use a third-party application. For instance, if you go over to the Google Play Store, there is the application known as ARC Cube. And this is actually a third-party application that can enable you record phone calls on your Redmi Note 15 Pro, and this works absolutely well. You just have to install it and set it up and you're good to go. Please let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel guys.